How to fix Nioh 3 is crashing on Steam. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to your library, open up the properties, and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is done, you want to go back to the general tab, and in the launch options you want to add -dx11 like this without spaces. Now you can close Steam and open up your browser, and you will need to navigate to redistributables by searching redist, clicking on the first link from Microsoft, and then if you scroll down to the second table, you should find the 86 and the 64 versions. You will need to download and install both of these from here, and just run the installer to install them. You can also try to repair them if you have them already installed. And once you're done, it will ask you to restart your computer. Now, after the restart, you will need to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can open up the game again, and that should solve the crash issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.